Hello everyone, this is Uzma and welcome back to our economics class. Today's topic is from unit number 10, that is again a 5 marks question. In the previous classes we have discussed two answers from 5 marks, that is religious tourist places, and the next one was tank irrigation and Mission Kakatiya program. So both of them were very important 5 marks, and this is the third 5 marks question from unit number 10. What is the name of the question? Explain the growth and perspective of IT sector. What is the question here? Explain the growth and perspective of IT sector. Before starting to the answer, we need to know the meaning of IT sector. The full form of IT is information technology. Full form of IT is information technology. As we have discussed earlier that we have three sectors in economy: agriculture sector, industrial sector and service sector. So this concept IT comes under service sector. So in Hyderabad there is a particular part where lots and lots of software industries are concentrated. So the part at which number of software companies are concentrated, that part of Hyderabad is called as Cyberabad. Okay, like High-Tech City, Gachibowli, Shamshabad, Uppal, etc. These are the places which come under Cyberabad. So whenever some person asks you regarding what is Cyberabad, you need to answer in this way: the part at which lots of software companies are concentrated in Hyderabad, hence that part of Hyderabad is considered as Cyberabad. In a simple terms, where a part in which many companies are associated or developed or constructed, that part is Cyberabad. So there are very important companies which are located in Hyderabad. So what are those? Let us have a look. You have heard about Wipro company, then TCS means Tata Consultancy Services. Then third one is 3i Infotech, then Oracle, Microsoft, HCL, Infosys, Dell. The laptops which we use are of Dell company, Microsoft company, right? The next is Google, is also a company. Then CTS, in the sense Cognizant Technology Solutions. The last is Amazon. So these are various software companies which are located at Cyberabad. So the introduction part is completed. What the question is being asked: how the IT sector is getting developed in Hyderabad. Let us see. The first point, we are having 5 points over here. Then we are having what are the recent developments in Telangana. Okay, so before starting what are the recent developments, we'll go through the 5 points. First point is Telangana state is the first state of pioneer to start e-governance project in a country. So Telangana was the first state to start this idea in our country. So who was the first state to start e-governance project in our country? That is Hyderabad, or you can also say it, Telangana state is the first pioneer in the sense a new idea or a new concept or project which was first started. So this is our new project, right? That is e-governance. It is started in our country by whom? By the Telangana government. So the first point is Telangana state is the first state to pioneer e-governance project in our country. What was the name of the project? E-governance. For the first time it was started by whom? By the Telangana state. Second point, the share of IT sector. The share of IT sector in Telangana. How many exports we were having? Nearly 10.5 national IT exports. So in the whole point you just need to keep in mind the share of IT sector. The share of IT sector was 10.5% in Telangana in simple words. Okay, we are learning about what? IT exports, right? So how much IT export, information technology exports are there in Telangana? Nearly 10.5%. How much? 10.5% IT exports share is there in Telangana. Alright, third point, total IT exports of Telangana state. We are talking about now total. There we were talking about only IT exports. So only IT exports share is 10.5%. Total IT exports share during the year 2013 to 14 in Telangana was rupees 57,258. Okay, remember 57258. 57258. Only if I am asking the share of IT exports, that is 10.5% in Telangana. If I am talking about total IT exports, that is rupees 57258 in Telangana. 1, 2, 3 points are completed. First point we discussed, who have started e-governance project for the first time? Telangana. Second point, only IT exports share. Third point, total IT exports share. Fourth point, IT sector provides direct employment to nearly 3.27 lakhs people. Okay, how many lakhs people are getting direct employment from this IT sector? Nearly 3.27 lakhs people are getting direct employment. Now you may be getting confused that you know about what is employment, that is number of jobs. Now what is this direct employment? What is this indirect employment? Let us take it as an example. We are manufacturing or producing some product, okay, any eatable product or consumable product we are manufacturing. So whatever the laborers who are engaged in physical work, that comes under direct employment. And there will also be some persons who will be checking the quality of that product. They are not doing any physical work, they are checking the quality of the product, whether are there any mistakes, are there any mistakes in packaging, are there any mistakes in dealing with the customer, are there any financial mistake, any money matter is changed. So who is checking? The quality person. So he is called as indirect employed. So IT sector is providing direct employment to nearly 3.27 lakhs people. Fifth point, state government of Telangana offers best incentives and facility for the growth of startups. What the state government of Telangana is doing? The state government of Telangana is offering incentives in the sense bonus. For example, your salary is 30,000, then I'll do an increment in your salary. You can also say a promotion in your salary. Instead of 30, I am giving you 38,000. So that is an incentive to you. Example, whenever any festival is there, the clients, the employees who are working in these companies will be getting facilities and incentives. Like for example, if there is Diwali, so they will be getting Diwali gifts for all the employees. Okay, it may be any electronic item, or they may be getting any cash prizes, like you can go to any of the KFC and you can do the expenditure till 2000, like that. So these are few packages. So what the Telangana government is doing, it is offering best incentives and facilities for the growth of startup. Why is it giving all these facilities? Because these things will attract the people. Okay, so they need to start and come and join in this IT sector. Because of this reason, the government is offering this best incentives and facilities. 5 points are completed. First point we have discussed about e-governance was first started by Telangana. Second point, the share of IT exports was 10.5%. The third point, the share of total IT exports was rupees 57258. Third point we discussed about, it is providing direct employment to nearly 3.27 lakhs people. Fifth point, the Telangana state government is offering best facilities to its employees. Main theme of 5 points, e-governance, then share of IT exports, share of total IT exports, providing direct employment, offering facilities. This is the main points from this side headings. Next, coming to this side, what are the recent development of IT sector? Means in Telangana there are few establishments, few developments which have done recently. Let us see what are those. First is T-Hub. T-Hub, while listening the term, you may be getting a doubt regarding what is HUB, what is a hub. For example, college or any institute is a hub for studies. Okay, I can say that it is an effective network for doing some activity. The meaning of hub is an effective network, or okay, an effective network to do so and so activity. So college is a hub for studies. Market is a hub for buying any commodity. Vegetable market is a hub for buying vegetables. Similarly, we are talking about which hub? It is IT hub. Okay. So IIT campus is developed at Hyderabad. Okay, an IIT campus is situated at Hyderabad and another IIT campus is at Warangal town. Why these IIT campuses have been established? What is the meaning of this IIT? Indian Institute of Technology. Indian Institute of Technology, 2 campuses have been developed, one at Hyderabad, one at Warangal. Why? Because these are constituted as the institutes of innovations. Whatever innovative activities are going on, that is going on in this type of institutes. First side heading is IT hub. First side heading is IT hub. Second side heading, Wi-Fi facility. Many of you are aware of this topic. So Wi-Fi facility was started by the government of Telangana. Okay, Wi-Fi facility have been started by whom? Government of Telangana in Hyderabad. Why this Wi-Fi facilities have been started? Because to provide improved governance, means to govern each and every citizen of the country. Second, operational efficiency. Okay, whatever the programs and policies the government is doing, in order to operate it effectively and efficiently, Wi-Fi facility have been started. Third point, facilitates easy transactions with customers. Facilitates easy transactions, whatever the transaction may be. You may be getting a loan, or you may be transferring your amount through Google or any kind of online payment, that are all related with transactions. So Wi-Fi facility have been started by the government of Telangana in Hyderabad to provide improved governance. Then second is operational efficiency. Third is facilitates easy transactions with citizens. First point is IT hub. Second point is Wi-Fi facility. Third point, Mi Seva. Mi Seva is located at every here and there near your colonies or cities. So what is the meaning of Mi Seva? Means at your service. Mi Seva means at your service or service to citizen. At your service or service to citizen. So what is this Mi Seva? Mi Seva is a service portal. Service portal. What is the meaning of portal? It is a website which provide links to other sites. Like whatever issue is there, we are going to visit a Mi Seva. For scholarships or for getting results, there is a website, right? Manabadi.com. So these are all links. So whatever we are doing online, for example online admissions at degree, so all these things, particular links will be provided at this website of Me Seva. Okay, so that is a service portal to deliver the government services to citizens. Whatever the services government is providing, it is providing through Me Seva to all of its citizens with digital signature. Okay, you will be giving the thumb impression over there, that you can consider as digital signature. So what is Me Seva? Meaning of Me Seva is at your service or service to citizens. So it is a service portal to deliver the services of government to the citizens with digital signature. 3 points are completed, that is IT hub, Wi-Fi facility, and third point is Me Seva. The fourth point, TASK, task. What is the full form? Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge. Task full form is Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge. What is this? Task is providing training. What it is doing? Providing training to the students of engineering and degree. Task is providing training to the students of engineering and degree. Why is it providing training to engineering and degree students? Let us see. They are providing communication skills, technical skills, employable skills, training. Why the training is given? In order to help them to get suitable jobs. Okay, as we have discussed that unemployment rate is more in India, more in Telangana, people are jobless. So in order to provide jobs to the students, okay, because you are a fresher after completing your engineering or degree, so wherever you go for an interview, everyone asks you the experience. When you have not done any job, how would you get any experience? So that is a drawback. So in order to solve this problem, what the government have done, Telangana government is providing the training to the students to develop these 3 skills, which is helping them to get their suitable jobs related to their qualification. 4 points completed: IT hub, Wi-Fi facility, Me Seva, and task. The last side heading is ITIR. Full form is Information Technology Investment Region. Information Technology Investment Region. So the government of India have declared this ITIR in Hyderabad. That means the government of India said that we need to construct an information technology investment region in Hyderabad. Okay, and it is providing direct employment to 15 lakhs people and indirect employment to 35 lakhs people. Direct employment 15 lakhs people, indirect employment 35 lakhs people. In the whole answer we have discussed all about IT sector, information technology, how it is growing, okay, what is its importance, what is actually IIT sector, how many companies are established in Hyderabad. We have read in this 5 marks answer. Okay, this is also an important answer from unit number 10. Till now 3 answers are done, that is tourist places, and the second one was tank irrigation mission Kakatiya, and this is the third one, growth and perspective of IT sector. So this topic is cleared. There are 5 points and 5 side headings. See you in the next class with some new topic from the same unit. Till that, stay home, stay safe, and never stop practicing.